Remember my little sewing machine? I'm going to try to do this again, but I'm going to do it in a purple. And this looks like a blue, but it's a really dark purple. And this part here, I'm going to use it right here. It's a rusty bobbin. And then I have a flower that I'm going to put right down in here. And this right here, I've got it like the dark purple. And I wrote a V backwards on it. So hopefully, see how it go like that. It would look good when I put it right here. And then the button, I got a purplish button right here. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is this thing right here, this piece of foam stuff. I'm going to use it. And I don't think I have to have any cardboard or anything down here to do it. So I'm going to take and I'm going to put this on first and use I think I'm going to use a pink. I think pink would show up really good. Yeah, use a pink on this to make it look like a V. And I'm going to sew this down on the sewing machine. And she said we have to have our marks. It's really important. So at the end here, I'm going to put 2 marks, or mark all the way across. I hope. Well, yeah, it worked a little bit. I'm going to do 1/2 inch. And then that way we have those done. Alright. So that's what I'm going to do to start off with. Is work on this. Hopefully it'll work out okay. Alright, I think I got this done.
What, Mom?
I'm recording.
Oh.
Making you think I'm doing something different. Yep,
You're always different.
I know it.
I love you.
I love you too.
Whatever.
Happy birthday.
It's not my birthday.
Yeah, it's coming up.
No, it's not.
Oh.
I don't have a birthday. I was never born. I never existed. I don't know who I am. Who are you? Where am I at? Oh, God!
Ugh.
Drugs are a terrible thing. Don't do them.
Alrighty.
You say anything about drugs? I want some. Oh, damn. I thought that was a pier.
Am I going to be able to get this?
I thought it was too.
Oh, come on. It's crazy.
Look how stationary that is. To be on the water like that. Oh,
Okay.
there's a cop
I'm gonna
right
get
there. I want it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a cop.
I'm gonna get it. I got it.
Earlier.
Now.
Trying to shoot.
Yes. Right there.
They're gonna shoot me
I
first.
did pretty good cutting this. This is not the same size. I had to redo it. So, alrighty. Now, let's see if we can't find some batting down in here. Somewhere.
Oh, nope, no they.
We got to have some batting. Oh my god. Gotta go down further.
Ah, fuck, I went the wrong way out. You're gonna kill me.
Okay, batting.
There you go. There we go. Yes. Got a chance.
Keep.
Now. I think we got a chance.
Anytime he gets some. Anytime he
Alright,
dies,
here's
he's
this
got to-
piece. I gotta keep up with that piece. Alright, now, this right here, I'm going to try to stuff it in here.
Oh, shit!
Now
Dip out! Dip out!
Yep, I saw that too.
They're playing games, so I guess you're just gonna
There's
watch.
like 6 damn cops popped out from behind that
I know,
corner.
it's like,
He's like, what's up, dude?
Now this right here is not going to be used. This pretty well much is going to be looked at.
Sorry,
So-
Mom.
Yeah, you're alright.
I hear you there getting aggravated. I'm sorry.
You're alright. She's not gonna use it. She's just gonna. It's gonna be a knick-knack for her. That's all all it's gonna be. So now we're just gonna stuff this down, and I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and sew this little piece on. So I'm gonna take.
Still looking for it.
All right, let's see what we can do here. I'm just gonna draw the one line.
Still over here.
Oh,
I like this one better.
I want that cop
Right
back.
there.
It's probably gonna-
Nah, I probably don't.
You know what? This would have been a whole lot easier. And
Feel
lay
pretty
it
good, though.
down. Fold that one and fold that one. So we're like that. Then we're gonna put this right here. And that would be the side. Yep, that'll be it. Then I'm gonna put this on. Alright. Let me find me a small pen. Don't need a big pen. Alright, I'm gonna sew that one on. And I'm gonna finish stuffing this one down. Now, she wants glue all right here when you get it
Now, why would you make a ramp
flat.
there? Oh, what the?
I'm gonna stuff this, and then we'll be back with the glue on it.
Exactly right.
Alrighty. I hope this right here looks like a good enough bee. I'm just not that good at doing that kind of junk.
Really?
I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna, it's just a little flat piece, and I'm gonna try to stick it down in here.
I think they're shooting at
I think you're too,
and
but-
get it to go like that. I think that's flat enough right now. Alright, now she said we were going to take, and
a reckless driver.
I think we're going to have to take this so that it don't roll.
I just hit a head, police car head on.
Alright, so if I can't make this right here a little bit flatter, that ain't going to work. Maybe that will. Make sure we got this flat.
I'm getting the fuck out of here. I think this is the go out of here. Right here. This is it. I'm going. Oh shit! I guess I'll go this way. It's just the same. Man, fuck you.
Alright. Let's
You ain't got things to be. I got things to be. I got places to be.
Thanks to me.
Yeah. Did I just go right back into this fucking construction site?
I think you did.
I'm hitting my brakes, but they ain't working.
I don't know how long we have to wait for it to do this. To dry. Wish there's something I could flatten it with. But I can't. Alright. Let's see what I can do
There's
there.
something going on outside.
Alright, we're gonna let that dry. And then we'll be back, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this right here thing. I am impatient. Very impatient. I want to get this done. So what I figured I would do is line, put this down. Let's see if I can't get this right here so I can sew it down. Let's see, put that away. Want it. Alright, now see what I can do about putting that right there. It's still got glue on it. see what I can do now. Taking all these right here out. Come on, get in there. There we go. Ah. That way I can go ahead and sew this down. Too impatient to wait for it to dry. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to sew these down. Then that way we can go ahead and go on with it. I'm too impatient on it. I got to get it done. I want to get it done. Alrighty. I have got this right here done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the button on right here so it will be on. And I'll put this on last. We also got the needle, and I want to go ahead and fix the needle just in case we got to do something with it. So let's find an old needle. Boy, I'm telling you what. All of them's broke. Here's one. All of them are broke that I've got in here. And then, well, there's two. I got another one in there too. It's not broke. But we're going to put these. Put this one. So we can get to it right here. I'll jab that in there. Give it a good twist around. Try to shove it up in there. Okay, do I have anything that I can use? I wonder what a skewer will do. Put a needle up in there. Come on. We want to put a needle. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there's the needle. Let's see. That'll work. Alright. Now I got the needle in there. And now I got all of it cleaned up. And I got this needle. And what I'm going to do, this needle stick right in here. So we'll have it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this button on right here. And I'm going to sew down the sides of this. And then we'll be back. Alrighty. I got this done. Hopefully I don't need my flashlight again. I thought about not sewing the corners. So it'd be easier to, I don't know, I ought to. I'm going to go ahead and sew them down. Yeah, I ought to. Let's see. Well, I know I got room on here. I got black thread, but who cares? We're going to go ahead and... Oh, that's... Got it on zigzag, and I don't want zigzag. Let's see what I can do about taking this off now. There. Alright. Let's do this again. Bring it over here. This is crazy. But I'm hoping it'll go. I don't know about that one. Yeah, it worked out just fine. So now we got these other two. Gotta get rid of these strings. It makes it harder to work with a bunch of strings. Okay. One more to go, and then we'll have them. There we go. Now we got them. Now, let's go try it out, see if it'll work. See how it will work. Yes, we want it to work. I want it to work. Push this down in here. Make sure all of our corners are good. Yes. And now we want to, oh, I don't know about sewing this down right here at the corner. Can't bring them over and zoom them down. Put it down. Alrighty then. See what we can do. Where is my, there it is. Okay, that right there didn't work out too well. And of course I had to take and put double stitch it. There we go. Ain't nothing but a seam ripper won't fix. Get it right down to the edge of it. Come on. There we go. Now, we can fold it over and make it work. Alright, now let's get the glue. And we're going to glue this down. Alright, I'm going to take pins. Let's do one right here in the middle. Let's do this one. Oh, trying not to hit the glue, but okay. Come on. Ah. Too much glue. Alright, put a pin in it. I'm going to put this one right here. Get this glue off of here. And hopefully it'll work. Alright, now let's get this one. Put a little bit more glue right there. It don't want to hold. There we go. Hit back down. Put pins in right here to hold it down. Alright. We'll sit there and let this thing dry tonight. And then, oh, I'm not getting all of it. Go down. Let's get some more pins down in here. I don't care if it takes all of them. We want to make sure it stays down. I think we can handle that. Now, I got this. I don't know about using it. It might look good on there, but I don't know. We'll check it out tomorrow, but tonight we're going to let that right there dry, and hopefully it'll work out just fine. So, we'll see you in the morning. Alrighty, good morning. Got this right here done. I think I'm going to cut down the side here just a little bit. Make it look better. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut it down a little bit more. I got it too long. That's only because I remade the pattern. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to take and, oh man, try to this down now. And I think what I'm going to do is put my pins back in on it. I'm hoping that it gets close to the edge too. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. I want it close to the edge. Turn it over. Get this one close to the edge. Now, I'll see what we can do about pinning it down. And getting it done. Oh, come on. Don't do that. There we go. Yeah. The pin don't want to go in there. Probably goes glue. That has a lot to do with it. Just that glue.
Girl ain't going nowhere.
Alright. See what we can do about getting some down in the middle. There we go. Okay, let's see if I can't get that one to do any better. There we go. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Well, I'm going to have to leave it like that. Alright, I'm going to let that right there dry for a couple hours, and then we'll be back and finish it up, I hope. Well, me and Rick, we've been out running around. We went and looked at a house that hopefully we could rent, but too much, we can't do that. Alright. If we get something in our price range, we'd grab it and run. Get away from this neighbor over here. But, oh well. Rick said that he thinks that she would love this. Alright, now, let's see. The needle, let's put the needle in. There we go. I'm going to put it down in there so it's like that. I wish it'd go up a little bit more, but that'll be okay. Alright, and then we have this. Let's see what we could do here. So if I can't get a hole in there big enough to put that in it. Well, there we go. Alright. Now, let's see if we can't put a little bit of glue on it. Maybe we can. Yeah, there we go. Now I can't find a hole. There. Alright, that'll work. Now I put a little bit of this purple thread around it. I don't know if you can see it or not. That'll work. Alright, now we got the little rose right here. And I think she'd like this black one better. I think that would work. So we're going to put some glue there. And then we'll put the rose right there. Alright, I think we are done with it. I think that we could be happy with that, and I think she will be too. She doesn't know she's getting it and all, so she don't watch my video, so it'll be okay. But I think that turned out really cute. You can see a difference in the sizes too. What do you think, Mr. Rick? Wait till you get finished washing your hands. That turned out pretty, didn't it? Kind of like it better than mine now.
No, I like yours too, the first one.
Yeah, I do too. Alright, we will see you all later.
Are you done with that?
Yep. Alright, I forgot to put this button right here. So I went and got an orange button, and I think it'll look pretty good there. So I'm going to sew it on, and then we'll call it quits and all on it, but it'll have a button on it. Alright, we'll see you later. Well, something else we forgot to put on it. I glued this right here down. I don't want her grandkids getting a hold of it and getting stuck with the needle. I hope she don't let them. But I forgot to put lace around it. So, what we're going to do is, hopefully we can do it, is I'm going to put a little bit of glue right down through here. Put the lid on it so I can have the glue down at the bottom. Alright, we're going to put this one down here. Put a pin in it. Okay. We're going to put another pin down here at this end.
Here we go, dudes. Blast that, and then I don't even know how I hit this bird.
Yeah, I think she's going to like this. I really do. Come on. Alright, now I want to cut it off right here. Put my glue on it. Maybe if I get some. Alright. I'm going to fold this right here down. Like that. Take that one. And do that. Make sure everything is down and going good. Alright, now I think I might be done with it. I don't know what else I forgot. But I think it looks better with the lace on it. I really do. I think it looks better. Alrighty, I might be done with it, I think. If not, we'll be back. But if I'm done with it, we're done. Yay! How to donate to Poor Man Sewing. Mash on Poor Man Sewing. You come up here and you look for About. And there you can donate to Poor Man Sewing. All donations is really appreciated. Thank you very much.